Hey folks, I'm Serge from Productflo. I was planning to pitch, but I think I'll go a little bit, cheap. I saw some good example here. I want to share today a vision and a passion about how to revolutionize hardware. Few people like hardware. I think today I will try to incentivize you to go that way. Back in 2015, some friend and I decided to build an hardware product. It was a sleep tech device. We raised a bunch of money, put a team together, we went in China, we built a product, we ran the Kickstarter campaign. But you know what? We failed. You know why? Because hardware is, people say, complex, time-consuming, and expensive. This hasn't been my first rodeo. I spent 15 years developing hardware product, from consumer electronics, deep tech, med tech, brain tech, you name it, I did it. One thing that I learned, hardware is hard. In the hardware development journey, the way that you start, we say that you start as a newcomers. You have an idea, you don't know what to go, etc. You work with consultants, contractors, you try to build a prototype. If you get lucky, you're at the second stage. At that time, you have a team. You raise some bunch of money, but you need to go fast. If you go too fast, you crash. Mistake at this stage cost a lot of money to fix down the road. If you pass the startup stage, now you become an enterprise. A lot of back and forth, engineers cost a lot of money. And then at the end of the day, vendors, contract manufacturers, you need to do all of those things. This is not easy. This is a $3 trillion market. It's huge. From consumer electronics, IoT, deep tech, med tech, you know what? And we definitely know that we cannot tackle all these things at once. That's why we decided to focus on the 55,000 products that are built in the US, especially in IoT and consumer electronics. Those companies spent roughly $400,000 in software alone to reach the production state. And then these companies are most of the time in hardware accelerator and incubators, which give us a 240 million beachhead market for us to start. With this goal in mind, we decided to build one thing, the new generation of engineering platform, with only one goal in mind, making hardware engineering ridiculously easy. How to do that? That's a big question. With our big goal in mind, we have two ways to do that. We have first way, how to tackle complexity. We decided to build H. It's the first generation AI co-engineers. I quote my word, first generation AI co-engineer. With H, you go with an idea, we output engineering documentation, we output CAD file, we output code, we output PCB. With those files, you can now go to an engineer, you can go to a manufacturer, and then make your prototype. The second thing that we offer now is that next generation for enterprise. If you are a team, you have a lot of files, you have version control to deal with, you have BOM, you have manufacturer to contact. This platform gives you the familiarity of the engineering tool with the more advancement of AI. We are today confidently capable to say that we can do 10 times faster engineering output, 3 times faster time to go from idea to prototype, while streamlining the whole product development and then reducing the error rate on the engineering side. We are the next generation platform. We've been offering the same SaaS model that you guys know for newcomers, newbies, and then make most of our money from our marketplace with the 15% cut that we have on transaction, referral to manufacturers and vendors. It has been a long journey since 2023. We started there, we started doing the whole documentation, talking to vendors, offering consulting firm. We passed 100,000 revenue last year, and then we are proud of the customer that we actually support. Our long-term goal is to keep increasing our partnership with accelerator incubators while co-developing these technology that we have internally with consulting firms and design agencies. We are a small team, but nimble. We have great partners from the domain expert, investors, and great network from China, US, Southeast, Europe, and also Africa. This is how much we're raising. We already passed the 2/3 of our round. We keep raising. And my ask today is pretty simple. I want you guys to go ahead. Anything that you have in mind right now, scan this QR code, and then go there, and then put these ideas there. You'll be blown away by the capabilities of IoT that you can do, because it generates all of the output documentation that you can need to start your journey. From there, you can now talk with our vendors and manufacturers to prototype your thing. We are building the next thing, and I hope you guys will be joining. Thank you again.